Get hands.
Nanara bong tina. Why not mo bong rika?
Why kana ang rawne le chu ang smart na chu.
Kaya be smart man tina mo? We have everyone you say they're very smart, they're beautiful. Huh? They're handsome. You should be proud of that. And then may sa mak tina mo, ma?
Ay ta sa ko ba ay riang tina. Why ka din ro the le chu.
No, you're wrong. Today man, okay? So please change the question.
Confirm this theta. Next. Kina ai narming le nakorming kanyong repeat ko kalang.
Karming su laili korta kisang kapo su dan lekhata.
What is your strongest point? The strength you
God.
have within yourself.
God pathian
Hanju,
Your plus point. Your plus point. What you are good in what? You're best in that. Some good about it.
I'm good in playing. Yeah, and I love listening songs also.
okay. The strength pathen niti hi. Are you regularly attending to church?
Yes,
Zawai kamo bargain.
Birkin at least I khoka amnung te Saturday night, Wednesday and Sunday morning.
Hanju atun Agartala nahong omta.
So as I'm new, I don't know the place where they used to do the church, but this time I hope so.
Okay. Avaniata junung te naktu gata Agartala fellowship bise thaita. Achang
Sure.
mo.
Sure.
Confirm bise thaita.
Can you tell your name? Narmi?
Prabhu Devi Kaipe.
Prabhu Devi. What is your number?
6.
Who is your role model?
My role model is my parents.
Alright, your mom or dad? Why?
Because they lead me in a good way
Anything else?
and they correct me whatever I do before. Before I did anything, they used to insist me not. Insist to do whether it is right or wrong.
Okay. Apart from parents, like any kind of like personality,
Yeah, my friends.
a good, famous personality, like maybe who is a very famous artist, poet, or anything from education background. What is the department? You're from department? Which department?
History.
History. So from the history, who's your role model? That by seeing him or her, you get inspiration.
Yeah, teachers.
Teachers. Okay. So teachers is a role model. So which teachers? There are so many teachers.
There is my teachers from my previous school.
Okay. He or she teach you.
He teach me about what is happening in this world.
What subject? You love the teacher for what?
Because I love that subject. He taught
Okay, what he taught you? What subject he taught?
history.
History. So because he talks about history, so you love history.
And I like to study about the ancient,
Okay, ancient. Can you just tell me one ancient king?
like Ahom's king,
Huh? Sorry?
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb. So Aurangzeb. So from which dynasty is he?
Mughal.
Mughal dynasty. Okay. So why you like
Because
yeah.
the way he lead the country and the way he insists to his subjects. So I like this because he was the last Mughal ruler of the empire.
Okay. As you compare to the Mughal emperor, like he's a good king. So what do you get inspired from your own life? From like me also, like one day I will, lead my community. So do you have that kind of feeling?
Yes, of course. Especially I have the Kaiping people because we are still here. developing, but we are not yet developed. So in the future, we may be coming up together. This is my
Yes.
goal.
So you believe that the Kaiping should come together,
Yes, together
work
in a-
together,
yeah.
and be united and have cooperation, right? Okay, thank you.
Please can you tell your name?
My name is Lal Sandami Kaipeng and I'm from Tuidu.
Okay, thank you. How many clans are there in Kaiping community?
Pardon?
Clans. How many clans are there in Kaiping community?
I think 3.
Can you mention? Name?
Tuidu?
Clans. Singer.
I can't understand. Then xong là thầy nghe.
Cái giống giá cắt cơm giá đây, ấy giá ra không? Mà Kaiping.
Exact mo.
Subscribe again. Sub clean. Singer lung tung như thôi. Hết cái này. Giá cắt cái này.
7.
Sing được ta? One.
Seng Tây, Lung Thong, Seng Hor, Su Giang, Dao Rai, Singer, Seng Hor.
Trôi ra chẳng hạn.
Seng Tây, Seng Hor, Singer, Sun Giang, Dao Rai, Porset, Lung Thong.
Audience ngay ading mo? Ading medik? Okay, next. Question next.
Next. Next Anu ha. What is the name of advisor KSU Secretary? Advisor KSU Secretary Armin Tumo. Present.
Lal Dom Thang.
KSU to go.
Kodlian Thang.
Okay. Nukat ka? Aga phabam.
Thang.
So to my name, before that, all the volunteers, they volunteers sa ngay ay buhang tung tantia, hama penasing packing thorangkin, and it was rorangkin ka kino anong tia sa request anong zonga. All the volunteers you are requested to go outside and help them to pack the food. The food has already arrived, so you please go and help them to pack the food. So what is the number?
8.
8. So your name is
Budinika Kaipeng.
Budunika Kaipeng. What is the meaning of Budunika?
Ay chongente bukidu.
Alright. By seeing her, I made another Budunita Apoval. Okay, no problem. It's part of a joke. Okay. Who is the princess of Tripura?
Maharaj Kumari Pragyadev Burman.
Okay, very good. So same thing, like I have already asked others also. What can you do for your community? In the future.
In future, if I successfully, if I became judge or IAS officer, I will help for my society. I will help for the poor people.
Okay, very good. So it's we have so many upcoming leaders here with us right now. They have they have their aim, they have ambitions, and to lead the Kaiping community towards development. So it's very nice and it's very good to hear from you, from every one of you, that you're like planning to have, that kind of aim, that you want to bring the community together and have and work for your people. It's very good. So, okay. So again, the same question. What matters in life for you, money or power?
Pardon?
What matters for you? Ini important. Paisa mo, power.
Paisa kom important, power kom important.
So can you just say something about that?
Paisa ni nung te mi aring ako manilo sang thai chu power ni nung te adangai kom down ni en thai melo sang.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, narinig ko lang?
Puja.
Puja, who is the Defence Minister of India? Nunte, what is your aim in life?
Professor.
Professional sa sige tone. Why? Iran mo.
I want to be a professor because in our tribe, in Kaitpeng tribe, there is no one yet a professor. So I want to be a professor because I want to develop our community, especially Kaitpeng.
Okay, it's very impressive. It's true that we don't have, none of us have a professor right now. Okay, thank you. Next. Tell me your number.
10.
Lal du Omi Kaiping. Who is the Defense Minister of India?
Actually, I don't know about general knowledge.
Okay, it's very important also that we should know, okay? So, in case you need to you need to choose between peace, love, and happiness, what would you choose and why?
I would choose peace.
Okay, you choose peace, why?
Imitrate, rangina hi asacem. Nangi manung imtrang gating ay rumole bane so peace asacem.
So you don't like love?
I love, but internetic. Ano ko mabali din? Kung peace abone like to
Happiness?
happiness ko masa.
That means you are not choosing anyone. Okay, fine, no problem. You have choose peace. We need peace of mind, you mean to say. Not only that, the worldly peace, we need inner peace also. And peace among ourselves and towards each other.
Hatka Rithana Oma. Who is your favorite singer and why?
My favorite singer is Ariana Grande
And why?
because I love her voice.
Okay. So, can you sing like the voice of her? Any song?
God is a woman. Lyrics to Damian Kong interact lakka voice ka din hokitsu.
Are you really want to hear her voice? Yes. So shall we give her lyrics? Yes. Okay, so anyone take initiative to give her the lyrics? Anyone? No. Not the
Ariana Grande tanglaw Camila Cabello mikisakte.
Huh? Which?
Camila Cabello. Mukhang ka-favorite din natin.
Okay, fine. Go on.
Okay. Havana Unana, half of my head is in Havana Unana. See, lyrics saving.
So she really needs the lyrics. Anyone give her one lyric? Anyone? Alright, she got the lyrics now. So let's all clap for La Duomi Kaiping.
Out of my head and out of my
If you only know the bad things I like, don't think that I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things I like. Don't think I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. Thank you.
Okay. It's really complicated now. For the judge, it's very complicated for us now. We have got all the best freshers this year. So we are complicated unpak ini tak pegati to our freshers, Mr. and Mrs. Freshers, to select them. Okay, thank you. We have next Lily Parmoy Kaipeng. What is the number?
11.
Okay. Who is a role model? You don't have a role model? Come on, you should have. That by seeing that particular person, I'm, inspired. You can choose as a role model, no problem. Like your parents.
Kalungkapan.
Why?
Because imtirang ay chinata ay den en zainen to acu an kinata trip health com ni bante atin ka an kunjunga nalung anan ngai com means everything ay ngai imtirang na ron thai adang kinata na yuma com ay doi pangai kinata dit ay mantek.
Okay. What is your strength?
Ka strength to ka friend kadu kapa patian.
Okay. So, do you have any talent? No, so what is your talent?
Sing.
Oh, right. So we have another singer. So, okay, let's hear from her also from Lily Parmoy. Can you sing for us anything like gospel song? All right. Okay. So let's all clap for her. Give a round of applause for Lily Parmoy.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like never before, oh my soul, worship His holy name.
So we have a future singer. So I hope all those who are there in the audience, you can just remember them so that we can, in the future, gospel song of Mainana. So we can just, take the help of them to, to produce a song. Okay, last question. In case, if you're asked to rank once, first, second, third, like wealth, health, and family, according to their importance, how will you do it and why? Number 1, wealth, health, family. Wealth, like wealth means you'll have sumpun, or health means taksa, you'll be healthy. You want yourself to be healthy, or your family. How will you rank? Number 1 you put.
First day,
What is important for you first? What will you put? How will you rank? First, second, third. First number in
health.
Health is
Because imitirang inung te atin ka ima
health ay ninong te.
rip kama chale.
Kama chale. Kama chale.
Ang kama chale means nakadampung te imutin ka sumpuan ni community so te rip kam nge ibon to te rip.
And second?
Second, family.
Family. And third?
Third kom atum karen kat ka anang jam kom saklang second sakle family katina chu hama
Third it will be wealth. So
yes.
one. Sumpun ay nangma.
Anang hankom.
I thought that we always say very formally this sumpun nangma, but the main thing is we didn't need money. To organize this, you can also we need money. But it's okay, no problem. This is just out of the topic. Okay, thank you.
Narming niru le jangla.
Nalengwari Kaiping.
Kaiping Student Union ha moto imarsu.
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge.
Andi nungte. Who is the father of faith?
God.
What is the full form of TDADC?
Sorry, I didn't know about this.
Guess you.
Kaiping Student Union.
Very easy, very easy. You should know the full form also actually. But no problem, this is will be homework. You'll give homework, TTADC, what is the full form of TTADC, you have to know. Anyone know from here, freshers? Come on, yes? Huh? Yeah, Kappa?
Thank you, Sister. Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council.
Okay, let's give it a
Thank you.
round of applause. Okay, do you have anything? If you can change one thing in this world, what would it be? If you want to change one thing in this world, or just say a community, Kaiping unity, one thing you want to change, what it will be and why? That you want to change for good. The imperangino.
Perangkinom to the omdan ay sagdan ani Kaiping ay where someone is when somebody is quite rich or becoming popular, we don't care for our tribal, especially for our Kaiping. We don't have imtirang ilung ramunma, ilung ngay rang sinmaga, nulu kanay kele ha aryang mirang mo, educated changlo rang uneducated mirang, Maria malebe melkedin, proud feeling anay rang musim.
That means like some of the very rich family background, they don't look for the poor one.
Not all of them, but only few of them.
Like few of them. So you want to change that thing.
Yes, I want to change.
Like if you will be one day rich, you'll be one day rich, right?
Yes.
So will you look for them?
According to me, I should look them.
Yes.
Equally.
I should. She said I should. Not said I have to or I should. Should. There's big difference. Should, I must, I have to. So we have a witness here that, that when one day she become rich, she will look after the poor people. So let's give a big round of applause for her. It's a very big thing. Hamaran nangai hamaran sinmen adik. Pengai pak hamaran nanang. We have to change for the good. We have to change ourselves. I thinking everything. So it's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So another Hyman one. So we have here 12 disciples of Jesus and also the 12 freshers of KSU, the 5th Freshers Meet 2019. So let's give them once again a round of applause for everyone. Please clap for yourself.